So I just wanted to do a very quick unboxing of the Mi A2 by Xiaomi. This is the successor to the Mi A1, which was a fantastic phone. Android One smartphone here, 20 megapixel front facing camera and Snapdragon 660 with 4 gigs of RAM with the dual lens on the back. So very nice specification as usual. And it's very rare actually that you do get some decent prices. I mean, every phone nowadays seems to be over £1,000 to buy outright. So it's, you know, pretty awesome value for money, this one. And hopefully the performance will be as good as the last one, which is actually running the latest Android software. So in the box you can see quite a standard affair here. You do get Mi A2 coming up with a large 1.25 pixel and artificial intelligence, which I'm not quite convinced about still, but it should be better than not having it, I guess. So let's just get the display unpeeled here. You can see nice big display. Goes right to the edges and the back, so you can see very nice design here. Seems to have moved the camera as well, so a little bit different, looking more like the iPhone 10. Fingerprint scanner remains in the same place, which is in a decent place away from the camera lens. You're getting 2 speaker grills now on the bottom, as you can see. Do they have the headphone jack? No, they don't, so that could be something a bit annoying, but maybe they apply a adapter in the box, so you just get the charging thing there. And is there an adapter? I can't actually see one. All I can see is an extremely poor layout for the charger here, which is literally impossible to get out of the box. I mean, look at this. This is ridiculous. I mean, unless I'm doing it wrong, this is truly impossible to get out of the box. So it's just going to stay in there, unfortunately, because we can't get it out. It doesn't look like you get an adapter though for the you know, the headphone jack. Oh yeah, you do actually. Who am I kidding? So you can see it's in this little box here. So all's not lost. You know, if you do have wired earphones, very easy to use that and keep it on the end. You do also get a case as well. I mean, excellent value for money here. I gotta say, gotta give a round of applause. I mean, you're getting a case as well for a €200 phone. And there's phones, you know, which cost, like Apple, don't even give you a fast charger. So let's boot it on here and let's see how it looks. I'm hoping for slightly better screen brightness. That would be nice. And you can see Android One. So let's quickly go through this and skip everything. 5G supported, that is good. Fingerprint, do they have face unlock? It doesn't look like it. A little bit rattly on the table, but we can get used to that. And you can see we do have the nice stock software here, nice and jelly, as you can see. And what are we getting for the Android? You are getting 8.1.0. I think it's the latest software, so you can see everything nice and buttery here, and 4 gigs of RAM, Snapdragon 660 should make it very future proof. Would have been nice if we had 64 gigs internal, but you might be able to expand that with the micro SD expandability. Screen looks very decent, but I think they've kept the brightness about the same as before, so that is a little bit of a shame really. You can see the viewing angles aren't the best, but you should be able to use it without too many problems. So yeah, just a quick little unboxing of the Mi A2, superb value for money, and I will be doing some videos with it, checking out how it performs. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!